We are here with Harmony.
Yay.
Yeah, we are at 32 Worthington Street in Pittsfield. It's Brad, the mortgage guy, and this is your local look. All right, Harmony, we got a great one here. Why don't you go ahead and show us around? All right, we walk right in. Straight ahead's the dining room. Let's go in there.
We've got beautiful hardwood floors.
Great lighting on the first floor, too. We go from the dining room over here to the living room, which is in the front of the house. We've got a nice, quiet, dead-end street here.
So we've got one bedroom on the first floor with access to the half bathroom, but we're gonna go through the kitchenway instead.
All right, so we're going around through the kitchen, and we've got our half bath here. All right, Harmony, take us upstairs where we have how many more bedrooms up here?
We've got 3 more bedrooms upstairs.
And we have our full bath, and then we go down the hall, and we've got 2 really large bedrooms, don't we?
Massive bedrooms, great space, large closet space as well.
All right, well, this place looks great. If you'd like to tour this property, hit Harmony up. And if you'd like to get some financing options, including some down payment assistance, perhaps through the state of Massachusetts programs, hit me up. We've got some really great programs for you. Pittsfield, we appreciate you having us today. It's Brad, the mortgage guy, and we're out of here.